Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on Sudarshan and Gabriel's Project 2. Today I'll talk about what our game is about, how the internal workings happen, and demonstrate some cool features that we have introduced. So our game is basically a two-player combat game that involves picking up weapons and weapons which have varying degrees of damage and killing each other. A fairly simplistic game, but we have incorporated a lot of pickups, some special perks, and damage-inducing uh, eggs throughout the game, and we have a couple of creative mechanics that makes this game exciting. So first, I would like to start off with demonstrating our multiplayer capabilities. So we have two players, one represented by the yellow at symbol and one represented by the red at symbol. And two players, the players basically split the keyboard into two fragments. One takes in the WASD controls and the other takes in IJKL controls. Next, we have scattered a lot of items, pickups, across the map, and these pickups mostly entail slight boosts to to your health, as well as a lot of weapons. So right now, the yellow at picked up a rusty knife, and I will demonstrate how he will go and kill his opponent, player two. So just for being fair, I'll let player 2 also pick up a weapon. And player 2 does that by pressing on I. So now the attack takes place only when the two players are only one block away from each other and start hitting the attack button. And you will see that the health is going down as people are attacking each other. And upon the end of this combat, we see that one of the players has ended, and then the the user can begin the new game again by entering a new seed without leaving the frame. Then I'd like to take some time to talk about our room generation algorithm here. So how we went about this process was to create a class called room, which implements rectangle and y rectangle. It has a built-in method that helps us check if two rooms overlap each other. So we basically built our own subclass of that extends that, and we randomly scatter these rooms across the map. And then we built something similar to a minimum spanning tree that basically connects two random rooms through its shortest distance possible. So this basically sums up our room generation algorithm. Last but not the least, I would like to show you our creative mechanics. So we have three major components. One is our weapon power-ups, then health power-ups, and a secret area 51. So first, let me show you guys what our health power-up or the attack power-up entails. So let me quickly pick up a weapon with yellow player, and attack the red player. So the damage is 10 here, but if I pick up the X, which is the double damage power up, it starts producing a 2x damage for any given weapon. So this is one of our first creative mechanics that we have incorporated into the system. The next creative mechanics we have is the health kit and the potion. So what it does is we will demonstrate on what happens when you pick up the health kit or the potion here. Sorry. So when you pick up the potion, your health goes up by 300 points, And when you pick up the health kit, as demonstrated by player 2, which is the red one, your health will go up by only 30 points. So those are just a couple of uh, help stuff that would help you in the battle. And the final exciting one of the exciting pickups or power-ups here is the magic sauce. So the magic sauce is actually a poison, and when you pick it up, you lose your health goes down by 150. This is just to kind of deliberately disadvantage a player during their combat. And the final creative mechanic is a level up. So what it means is basically any player can approach this triangle-looking thing, which we call Area 51, to basically respawn themselves on the map and boost their health by 100. So this is particularly useful when your opponent is attacking you and you do not have health and you want to potentially be spawned far away from your, you know, your enemy. And this also respawns all the power pickups, so on and so forth. So overall, it tends to be extremely beneficial for the losing player. I would like to thank you guys for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed our game.